What's up, creators? Ready to bring your animations to life? Today, we're downloading Adobe After Effects, and I'll be sharing a few quick tips to help you start making stunning animations right away. If you're excited to try it out, check the description below for the download link so you can follow along with me. Once you click the link, you'll head to the Adobe After Effects page. Just hit Start Free Trial to get started or sign in if you already have an Adobe account. If you're new to Adobe, creating an account is simple. Enter your email, set a password, and you're ready to roll. After logging in, you will see a section called Apps. Click on that. Look for Adobe After Effects. Here you will see an Install option. I see an Open on Desktop option because I already have it installed on my computer. But you will see an Install option. Install the software, and you are all set to use After Effects. Now let's get into some quick tips to make your animations stand out. Once you're in After Effects, start by creating a new composition. This is where the magic happens. One pro tip is to use the Easy Ease function to make your animation smoother and more natural looking. Just select your keyframes, right-click, and choose Easy Ease to give your movements that professional touch. Another quick tip, take advantage of the graph editor for precise control over your animation speed. It's a fantastic way to add a more dynamic feel, especially for elements that need a bit of bounce or acceleration. And finally, don't forget about effects and presets. After Effects is loaded with options that can take your animations from simple to stunning in seconds. Experiment with them, combine effects, and watch your ideas come to life. All right, you're all set with After Effects and armed with some handy tips to start creating beautiful animations. You've got this. If this video helped, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and share it with friends who want to up their animation game. Thanks for tuning in and happy animating.